All right, welcome back everyone to the No Code Narratives podcast. Today we're tackling a topic that's been buzzing in my DMs and frankly in my own head for a while now. No code platforms. Specifically, we're diving into a bit of a friendly rivalry between two powerhouses, Famous AI and Base44. And joining me today we have Jack, who I know has some very strong opinions on the Base44 side of things.
Strong opinions? Kostas, you know me too well. And you, my friend, are the famous AI evangelist. So yeah, this is going to be good. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. We want to help our listeners figure out which platform is the right fit for their app projects, because honestly, it's not a one-size-fits-all world. But let's kick things off. Kostas, why don't you tell us what gets you so hyped about Famous AI?
Sorry, Kostas. My bad. Yes, Kostas. Tell us why famous AI is the bee's knees. Lay it on us.
No worries at all, Jack. Okay, so for me, Famous AI is just revolutionary, especially for anyone who needs to launch beautiful, high-performing web experiences fast. I mean, think about it. Marketers, small business owners, agencies, they need stunning landing pages, e-commerce sites, promotional pages, and they need them yesterday. Famous AI delivers that with incredible speed and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface.
Fast is good, Kostas. We all want fast. But beautiful? That's subjective, isn't it? And are we talking about truly functional apps or just fancy websites?
That's a fair question, Jack. But it's more than just fancy websites. Famous AI focuses on what they call AI-powered design. What that means in practice is you're not just dragging elements. The platform helps you create responsive, optimized designs that look great on any device. And importantly, they're built for performance. They really emphasize fast loading times, which, as we all know, is absolutely crucial for conversions and SEO these days.
Performance is definitely key, I'll give you that. No one wants a slow site. But when I think app projects, I'm usually thinking about something with a bit more complexity than just a landing page or an e-commerce storefront. I'm thinking custom logic, deep database integrations, maybe a unique user flow that isn't just browse and buy. That's where I feel like Base44 really shines.
I can see that. For sure, Famous AI's sweet spot is really about creating those front-end heavy, visually driven experiences. I've used it to build campaigns that convert like crazy because the design process is so streamlined. You get access to pre-built sections, templates, and the AI really guides you to make something that looks professional without needing a designer or a developer. Plus, the ease of integration with marketing tools is a huge win for me. Think Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, all the essentials are just a few clicks away.
Okay, so it sounds like Famous AI is fantastic for front-end marketing initiatives, landing pages, quick campaign launches. I get that. It's essentially a really powerful website builder with some smart design features. But let's talk about what happens when you need something that truly does something unique behind the scenes. Something that handles intricate data, automates internal processes, or offers a very specific service that isn't just about showing information or selling products. That's where Base44 enters the chat.
All right, Jack, lay it on us. What makes Base44 your go-to for those deep projects?
Well, for me, Base44 feels less like a website builder and more like a visual programming environment. You can still build beautiful UIs, don't get me wrong, but the power lies in its back-end capabilities. I'm talking about robust database management, complex workflow automation, and the ability to connect to virtually any API out there. Want to build a custom CRM? A project management tool tailored exactly to your team's needs? A marketplace with unique user roles and permissions? That's Base44 territory.
So you're saying it's for when you need to get really granular with data and logic, beyond just what a typical marketing site would require.
Exactly. I mean, with Base44, I've built internal tools that completely transformed how a client manages their inventory, or a custom booking system that integrates with a dozen different external services. You're not just building a static or even a semi-dynamic site. You're building a full-stack application, just without writing a single line of code. The flexibility to define custom data structures and then build intricate logic around them is just unparalleled.
That sounds incredibly powerful, I won't deny it, but I imagine there's a steeper learning curve there, right? With famous AI, you can literally go from zero to a published stunning page in an hour if you know what you're doing. It's designed for that instant gratification, that quick win.
You're absolutely right, Costas. There is a steeper learning curve with Base 44. It's not something you're going to master in an afternoon, especially if you're tackling something complex. You need to understand database concepts, how APIs work, and think logically about workflows. But the payoff is immense. Once you get past that initial hump, your ability to create truly custom, powerful applications is almost limitless within the no-code paradigm.
So it's a trade-off. Speed and immediate visual impact versus deeper functionality and customization, but with more upfront effort.
Precisely. And that's where the listener really needs to think about their project's core needs. If you're a marketing team trying to spin up a new campaign with a dedicated landing page, A/B test variations, and get it live by end of day, Famous AI is your champion. You'll get beautiful results, optimized for performance and conversion with minimal fuss.
Exactly. I mean, I recently had to launch a product pre-order page, complete with a countdown timer, email sign-up integration, and some stunning visuals, all in about 3 hours. Famous AI made that possible. The AI-driven suggestions for layouts and elements meant I wasn't staring at a blank canvas, paralyzed. It practically built itself with me guiding it.
And that's awesome for that specific use case. But imagine that pre-order page then needs to feed into a complex inventory system, manage supplier orders based on pre-sales volume, automatically generate shipping labels for different carriers, and send personalized updates to customers at each stage. Famous AI isn't going to handle all that back-end orchestration. You'd be patching together a dozen different services, potentially leading to a brittle system.
You're right, that's definitely not its strength. Famous AI is really about that beautiful, engaging front-end, the direct consumer experience and rapid content deployment. It excels at what it promises, high-performing digital experiences that look amazing and convert. It's not trying to be a full ERP system.
And Base 44, while it can definitely create nice-looking front ends, isn't going to give you that AI-powered design assistant that Famous AI boasts. You have more control, which means you need to be in control. You're building from more fundamental blocks, which is liberating for someone who understands application architecture, but could be overwhelming if you just want a quick, visually striking page.
So, for someone just starting out or for a small business that really needs a polished online presence quickly, without a big budget for design and development, Famous AI is a dream. It democratizes access to high-quality web design.
And for the startup that's building a unique SaaS product, or a medium-sized business that needs to automate complex internal operations, or even an agency developing custom client solutions, Base 44 offers the flexibility and power to build a truly bespoke application. It's an investment in a more robust, scalable future, even if the initial setup takes a bit longer.
Let's talk about scalability for a moment. With Famous AI, because it's so optimized for performance, I found that sites handle traffic spikes really well. It's built on a modern stack and they really focus on delivering content quickly, which is crucial when you're running a viral campaign, for instance.
Definitely. High-traffic static content delivery is something they've nailed. With Base 44, scalability comes more from the back-end architecture. You're building something that can handle increasing amounts of data, more complex user interactions, and a growing number of simultaneous users because you have more control over the database and server logic. It's designed to grow with your application's complexity, not just its traffic.
That's a really important distinction. One is optimized for content delivery and user experience, the other for functional depth and data handling. It's like comparing a high-performance sports car to a robust utility vehicle. Both are great, but for different jobs.
Perfect analogy, Costas. I think a common mistake people make with no-code is thinking any platform can do everything. And while the lines blur a bit, there are definite specializations. If your primary goal is to create a compelling, visually rich online presence that loads lightning fast and converts, Famous AI is incredibly compelling.
Exactly. And its focus on mobile responsiveness and SEO-friendly structures right out of the box is a massive time saver. You're not worrying about meta tags or structured data as much. It handles a lot of that for you, allowing you to focus on the message and the visual appeal.
On the flip side, if your project involves managing complex user-generated content, building an internal dashboard with multiple data sources, or creating a unique social network functionality, you're going to hit a wall very quickly with a platform like Famous AI. That's where Base44's more expansive backend capabilities become not just an advantage, but a necessity.
I suppose another aspect is the AI part in Famous AI. It's not just a buzzword, it really does make the design process more intelligent. It helps with layout suggestions, image optimization, even text generation to some extent. It's like having a junior designer and a content assistant baked right into the platform.
That's definitely a draw for people who aren't design savvy. Base44, on the other hand, doesn't really have an AI component guiding your design decisions. It gives you the canvas and the tools, and you have to know what you want to paint. It's more about logical construction than automated aesthetics. So if design isn't your strong suit, you might need to bring in external design resources or rely heavily on templates, which Base44 also has. But they aren't AI enhanced in the same way.
It sounds like for someone who's an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, or a small marketing team, Famous AI feels like a superpower. You can execute high-level marketing initiatives without breaking the bank or waiting for dev cycles.
And for the technical founder, the product manager in a growing company, or the business analyst looking to automate manual processes, Base44 empowers them to build real, scalable software without getting bogged down in code. It's about empowering the builder with the tools for complex logic and data rather than just presentation.
So, to sum it up, if your goal is to build a beautiful, fast, high-converting front-end experience, be it a landing page, an e-commerce store, a portfolio, or any kind of marketing site, Famous AI is incredibly effective and user-friendly. It's perfect for visual communication and quick market entry.
And if your project requires custom databases, intricate workflow automation, third-party API integrations, and the ability to build truly bespoke applications with complex user interactions and back-end logic, Base44 is probably the more powerful and flexible choice. It's for when you need your app to do more than just look good and sell.
I think that's a really clear distinction, Jack. It's not about which one is better overall, but which one is better for your specific project and skill set. Both are incredible tools in the no-code ecosystem.
Absolutely. My advice to anyone listening would be to truly map out the core functionalities of your envisioned app. If it's heavy on marketing, visuals, and quick deployment, look into Famous AI. If it's heavy on data, custom logic, and unique user flows, then Base44 is your playground. And hey, sometimes you might even use both. Famous AI for your marketing site and Base44 for your actual product's backend.
That's actually a brilliant point, Jack. A hybrid approach can be incredibly effective. Well, this has been a fantastic discussion. Thanks so much for sharing your insights on Base44, Jack, and for helping us break down these two platforms.
My pleasure, Kostas. Always fun to chat about the future of building without code. There's so much exciting stuff happening.
Indeed, to all our listeners, we hope this conversation has given you some clarity on choosing between Famous AI and Base44 for your next app project. Go explore them, experiment, and happy building. We'll catch you next time on No Code Narratives.
See ya.